Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rob Sower from Sower Real Estate at Keller Williams Realty in Boise. I'm out here at Harris Ranch, Northeast Boise. It's a Friday, and we're setting up for an open house today from 4 to 6. It's a new listing that we just brought on, and sometimes I get the question from people about open houses from sellers or otherwise, and they're like, "Well, why would you even do an open house? Like, what's the point? Why should I care about open houses from a marketing standpoint?" And to be honest, maybe you shouldn't. I think I think it just depends. It depends on the property. It depends on the location. It depends on the market. It depends on a lot of things. So let's talk a little bit about why we are doing an open house for this particular location, and perhaps even get into what we're doing for that open house to actually make it effective. The reason we're doing an open house for this particular property is for a number of reasons. One, Harris Ranch is an area that is very, very popular. So there's a lot of people that are looking for a property out here. It's a single level home. It's a little over 2,200 square feet. And so it just checks a lot of boxes as far as that goes. The other thing, though, is that it's pretty easy to place signs. So the chances that we will get drive-by traffic are greatly increased, and that just exposes the property more to more people that may not have been looking, that might just be driving by, just on their way home from work, not even thinking about it. They're not looking on the MLS. They don't see the yard sign that happens to be a couple blocks in, all of that kind of stuff. And then what was the other reason I was thinking of? I think the market is part of it, though, too. Just the fact that we're so low inventory. But yeah, I don't think it makes sense for every single property. If you're a farm property or something like that, where you're not going to get drive-by traffic, I think, you really got to think about that. And I think you really have to, if you're interviewing agents, take some time to ask them what their strategy is for your exact property, not just in general, all of these kinds of things. Now, some of the stuff we're doing to make this property and its open house really kind of pop in the market is, one, targeted Facebook ads. We did a video tour of this that was really great, had some drone footage and everything, so we could market it, nationally. But also, promoting the open house on a bunch of online platforms and targeted marketing there. And then, of course, really great signs. I think those are really underrated. People just assume, oh, they're signs. But have they been designed well? Is your branding consistent? Does it catch people's attention? And do you have the ability to place those signs in strategic locations? And do you have enough of them? So I know a lot of agents like to do open houses to get clients or prospective clients, and I think that's totally legitimate. Realtors are in business to make money, but I think from a seller standpoint, the seller really needs to say, does that make sense for me, and why? So anyway, hope that was helpful. Again, my name is Rob Sower. I'm with Sower Real Estate, Keller Williams Realty in Boise, Idaho. So if you have any questions about listings or how we might be able to help you, reach out to us. We'll put our contact info below. Thanks. Bye.